Hey everybody, welcome back to IT Events Announcements. Eugene CryptoEmcee is here, and please welcome my today's guest is Mr. Nikola Minkov. He's CEO of Serpact, and he is broadcasting from Bulgaria right now, and he also will be the distinguished speaker at the Minsk iGaming affiliate conference, which will be held at March 5th in Minsk, Belarus, by my friends and partners Smile Expo. Nikola, it's a great honor, pleasure to talk with you right now.
Thanks for the invitation. For me, it's a pleasure too.
Let's start with you personally. For that guys who maybe not familiar with you, give us a bit intro who you are and what are you working on right now in the gaming industry, online and offline. Short intro about you.
Okay, I have more than 8 years in SEO. Actually, I start like a business owner with one company, and I was satisfied from the agency. After that, I start to learn more and more about SEO. And for past 4 years, I start our brand Serpact. It's come from SERP search engine result pages. It's coming from action. And we're 16 guys in our team, and we do only SEO and content marketing. In this conference, for me, it will be a pleasure to speak there. I will present a very interesting case study about penalty recovery. Actually, this is very popular topic in this type of niche for gaming, casino websites, affiliate websites, sports betting websites. And I will show how we recover one website for 3 months.
Well, we're seeing too many diplomas and certificates and on the wall behind you. What do they mean? Explain us, please.
Some of them are certification from Google, HubSpot Academy. One of the most important certification here is from Stone Temple. Now they are rebranded with the Proficient Digital. They are one of the biggest agencies in the world for SEO and content marketing, located in Boston. And I'm very thankful to Eric Yang, the CEO of the agency, about this honor to have this course in their office in Boston. Actually, the past 2 years I was there, and after 20 days I will go again in Boston for another education. And here is our European Search Awards award for this gaming niche. Past year we win in this category with another case study for feature snippets.
Well, from your viewpoint, what do you what core points, core trends and core problems in gaming, gambling, online affiliate marketing? What do you see from your viewpoint as a CEO of Serpact?
In SEO purpose, the most of critical issues is coming from black hat SEO. This is normal for many niches where the white hat is not work very well, but it's possible to work very well. Actually, we are oriented only on white hat SEO. So we have with this client 16 projects, and 4 of them are primary projects. So with 3 of them, he is one of the biggest players in affiliate niche in Europe now, and the owners should be understand the short way with black hat is not it's not a good strategy for their business.
Well, and finally, whom will you recommend to visit Minsk iGaming affiliate conference in March 5th? What type of person or what business, what activity would have profited the most from attending this event?
Of course, I will recommend, because I see a lot of very knowledgeable speakers there, and a lot of case studies there. So I expect many case studies and many interesting topics with audience. My recommendation for audience, actually for everybody who is connected to the gaming and casino niche, is absolutely a related conference, because they will know more and more about the digital marketing in this niche.
So, Nikola, final question I need to ask you. Will it be your first time in Belarus, Minsk? And if yes, what are your expectations from this country, the former USSR Republic?
Yeah, I will visit for first time Belarus. For past 3 years, I visit more than 35 countries around the world. It's very funny situation. I create a visa to Belarus because I will fly to Moscow, and after that I will go to Minsk. So I have some plan to visit some places, but I have only 3 days, so we will see.
How about we are able to enjoy our hospitality and our sizing of you. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you find it useful for your business and you are not, if you are gaming or not gaming, want to visit Belarus and find the advantages of this kind of gaming, please visit Minsk iGaming Affiliate Conference here in Belarus in Minsk in March 5th, and use the promo codes CryptoEmcee or speakers for ring below for a 20% discount. Going below. By the way, we can also meet at other events, so please visit CryptoEmcee.com and find their list of events and promo codes there. Subscribe our Facebook page and YouTube channel. Stay tuned for next speakers interviews. Nikola Minkov from Bulgaria, Eugene Romanenko with you. Thank you for watching. Stay gaming, stay CryptoEmcee, and let's meet at Minsk iGaming Affiliate Conference in Belarus in March 5th. See ya.
See you.